Hello and welcome. Today we have a move called the Catapult. Here's what it looks like. Here is a slow-mo. Alright, so this is actually one of my most asked for moves, is a way to get from a standard closed reverse grip to a standard forward open grip. And this is the fastest, simplest way to do that. Let's get into it. Now to begin this move, there is one move I would like you to learn that's pretty easy before this, and that is the Backhand Twirl. And so that'll be in the description below, but that is this move right there. And that's going to help you with some of these motions. Now, to begin this move, you're going to start off hanging onto the safe handle, which is a little bit different than the slow-mo, but that's the one that's not going to cut you with no tape on the handle here. You're going to hold it in a standard pen grip. So my thumb is about 3/4 of the way down the handle. My index is just along the safe handle like so. So the bite handle can just swing out just like this. Okay, so now that you've got this grip, all you're going to do is you're going to take your wrist here and you're going to turn it inwards. And what that's going to do is it's going to send the bite handle flying, like so. What you want to do is you want to send the bite handle flying and adjust your fingers in such a way that when you do this twist, the bite handle comes back and it'll hit your index finger like so. So you see it's hitting right about here. That's perfect. Okay, so now you've got this grip, you can do this twist and you can hit your index finger. The next step is what you want to do is just as you're twisting and throwing this handle out, what you want to do is you want to let your thumb slide in on the inside of the safe handle. So you'll see when I start, right, my thumb is on the side of the handle. As I fling out the blade, my thumb is going to slip onto the inside of the handle, right? So it's here. It used to be here, now it's here. So you're going to twist your wrist, bite handle is going to fly out. Your thumb is going to slide onto the safe handle. The bite handle is going to keep going up, and it's going to hit a little bit higher up on your index finger. So before, if you're just pinching on the side, right, the bite handle is going to come up and hit right about here. But if you let your thumb slide, you can get it to hit like so. And so you just want to practice that now. So you got this pen grip, this twist, and you're going to let your thumb slide on the inside of the handle to wind up here. All right, so you can just practice this. All right, so now you've mastered this pen grip to the top of your index finger. The next step is you're going to do just this and have the bite handle balance on top of your index finger. What you're going to do is you're going to take your middle finger, which is just tucked underneath your thumb, and you're going to extend it in this top position. So once again, right, you got this pen grip, you twist with your wrist, bite handle flies out, your thumb slips, bite handle comes up, hits the top of your index finger. From here, you're going to take your middle finger and extend it out underneath the safe handle, just like so. Great. Now, you've got your middle finger extended underneath the safe handle. You're going to take your thumb and remove it out of the way. So once again, you've got this pen grip, you twist your wrist, your thumb goes in front, bite handle comes up, hits the top of your index finger. You're going to extend your middle finger. You're going to remove your thumb. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to take your bottom two fingers, which are just hanging out down here, and you're going to grab the safe handle with them, okay? And you're going to use these bottom two fingers to pull out your index finger, and you can close your thumb on the knife. So I'm going to show that again real quick one more time. You got this pen grip. You're going to twist your wrist. The knife's going to fly out. Your thumb is going to slide in front. The bite handle is going to come up over top of your index finger. You're going to extend your middle finger, remove your thumb. Your bottom two fingers are going to go grab the safe handle. Then you're going to remove your index finger and open the knife like so. And what you can do is you can put this all together now, right? So you do this twist, middle finger, thumb out, grab, remove the index, and open. And you can just make this faster and faster until eventually you can get so fast that you're actually removing your index finger before the bite handle hits, and you can catch it in the open position like this. And so that will look something like that. See, that was a bad one, but bam. See, just something like that, where you can just go right from this pen grip straight into this open grip. So that's basically the move. But now, you'll notice in the slow-mo, I didn't start up here. I started way down here. And this is nice because if you think about it, if you're going to pull it out of your pocket or something like that, you're probably not going to be grabbing it way down here. You're going to be grabbing it down here, right? So this is a much nicer way to throw it out and catch. And it is a little bit harder to do it the farther down you are, but the nice thing about this move is you can start right where you're already familiar with, right? So you should be able to do it from this pen grip really well. And all you got to do is just move up about an inch, right? And then you can go for it again. See, it's a little bit harder, but you can practice this up about an inch, if I can even do it. Let's see, up about an inch, wham, okay, until you can get it. And now you can get up about an inch, and you're gonna go 2 inches, bam, so you can get that. And so on and so forth until you get as high up the handle as you want. You can do this right from the very end of the handle. The very end is pretty hard. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, something like that. But once you're practiced at a nice spot like this, like I am, it's going to be easier. The more and more you practice a certain spot, the easier it's going to be. All right, so now you can do this at the end of the handle. The next thing you'll notice is when you do this move, hang on to the safe handle by the end of the handle, you catch it and the blade, the sharp side of the blade is pointing upwards. And so obviously this is good if you have to cut some rope or something, but usually we want to be grabbing with the blade down if you want to cut like an apple or something, right? And so to do that, you can just do the exact same move, but starting with the bite handle. Now this is a little bit more advanced, and if you want to do this move with the bite handle, I would recommend you learn the wrist pass. So that'll be in the description as well. But all you're going to do is you're just going to do the exact same move with the bite handle to catch it with the blade facing down. The scary thing about this is if you mess up, all right, and this thing hits your index finger, all of a sudden the sharp side of the blade is coming at your fingers. So that's basically the whole move. And so, of course, like I said, this is one of the fastest ways to get from a standard reverse grip to a standard open grip. So I hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. Just practice this one a bunch. This is actually going to come in handy later too when you're learning ladders and things like that. There's lots of moves that have lots of swings and things like that. So this is a beginner move that is on the trickier end of the beginner side, but it's going to help you with some more advanced stuff. So hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.